Keller, J. Sergeant First Class, serial number 717-8412. Iran, Guatemala, Colombia, Croatia. Very impressive.
I know what you're trying to do, sir. It ain't gonna work.
No, Sergeant Keller, you don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm here to clean up this mess. If you cooperate. If I walk out that door, Everything you did will be declassified. You will be convicted. You will be discharged. You will spend the rest of your life in prison. Very well, Sergeant. Have it your way.
Wait. What do you want me to do?
Tell me everything you know about Seventh Wave.
Weapons dealers. Heavy hitters dealing mostly in high-spec, former Eastern Bloc hardware. Clients began to include terrorist cells. Seventh Wave was escalated to priority status after they took out 9 agency spooks. Coordinated executions. Division wanted Seventh Wave taken out with extreme prejudice. Intel zeroed in on 3 possible targets. Valencia was the boss. Reuben and Yevtushenko were the muscle. 3 teams were tasked with Overwatch until it was time to take them out. I had one of those teams. Intel suspected the Brits, Chinese, and Israelis had teams in the area. Everyone was after these guys.
Who was the 4th man?
Gun for hire. Didn't think much of him at the time.
What went wrong?
We got made.
Hammerhead 6-2, this is Alpha 2-9, we have eyes on 2-5. Hammerhead 6-2, this is 2-5, we're pinned down! I have multiple casualties! Request priority medevac on my location! 5-1, this is 3-1. I'm on the other side of the block. I'm coming to you now, over.
Five one, this is Hammerhead 6-2. TOC advises streets barricaded to the north. We are circling around here to find an alternate route, over.
Copy that, 6-2.
Hammerhead 6-2, this is 2-5, we're pinned down! I have multiple casualties! Request priority medevac on my location!
Say again, your last one, did that copy?
What you guys got?
This is 2-5, I say again. We're pinned down, we're pinned down. I have multiple casualties. Request priority medevac on my location.
Copy that. Evac en route. ETA 5 minutes.
Hammerhead 6-2, this is Alpha 2-9. We have eyes on 2-5. DC receiving heavy fire. Multiple hostiles inbound from 5-1's location. Request AC-130 gunship support.
Negative 2-9. QRF is en route to reinforce. Rally on their position and do what you can.
Let's get on top of it. Reloading.
7-1. Provide overwatch for Echo 5-1. They are moving to rally point Z, over.
Copy that. On station. They're coming in through the wall. RPG in the tower, 12 o'clock. Take out the reinforcements. Cover that fucking window.
Атакую! Будь рядом! Подходит!
Hammerhead 6-2, this is Echo 5-1. Package has escaped the net. I say again, package has escaped the net. Do any helos have a visual? Over.
Stand by, 5-1. 5-1, that is a negative. Do not pursue the package. Hold your position and secure the location. Do you copy?
Be advised, target times 2 still in the perimeter. Target 4 is just entered the building west of Bravo team.
Вижу цель!
Bravo here, I'm going in.
Negative, hold your position, Bravo.
Moving to intercept.
You will hold your position, Bravo.
I can't wait here. I'm moving out.